Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a card to your Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. To do it, simply search for wallet and then tap onto it. Tap the plus icon here on your iPhone, which is basically at the top right corner, and choose the type of card you want to add to your Apple Wallet, whether it is debit card, credit card, transit or ID card. Then tap continue. Okay, and if you have a newer card, hold it near your iPhone to scan the chip, like I'm showing you here. You can see that if you want to add debit card or credit card, it is here. If you want to add your transit card or driver license or state ID card, that's also here. You just have to simply tap onto it and choose your card and hold it. Then if that doesn't work, tap enter card details manually and type in. Then tap next, then follow the prompts to verify and add your cards. If the first method doesn't help you, then you can use iPhone settings to do it. First of all, you have to open iPhone settings on your iPhone, then tap on wallet and Apple app. Wait a minute, wallet and Apple Pay, then select add card on your iPhone. You can see the option here, just click onto it and you can see all the options here. If you want to know how to use Apple Wallet, then double click the side button to bring your cards. Wait a second, and hold your iPhone to near a payment terminal to tap and pay. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.